Welcome to ASCII Geek.
Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of ASCII Geek,
where we build your next advantage with tomorrow's technology. And today, one of our experts is stepping in to show our latest breakthrough. Enjoy and happy learning.
All right, look at this swarm of digital noise. For most businesses, this represents the daily reality of a customer support inbox. Hundreds of unpredictable messages flying in at all hours, creating overwhelming disorganization. To gain control, we need to build a digital prism, a system designed to intercept this raw noise and neatly separate it into a structured, manageable workflow. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to build exactly that. We're setting up what I call the Ghost Support Employee, entirely inside Claude Cowork. We will give this system 3 specific capabilities. It will autonomously read incoming emails, accurately judge the customer sentiment, and draft an empathetic, ready-to-send reply. By putting this system in place, you stop operating as a reactive ticket answerer. Your daily routine shifts to managing a specific automated infrastructure. To start the build, we create a new Claude project folder and upload your entire product knowledge base. This dense PDF provides the factual foundation the system needs to answer technical questions accurately. Next, we upload a secondary file, the Customer Empathy Manual. Facts alone aren't enough. The system needs to cross-reference your specific brand voice and emotional tone for every response. This manual acts as a strict set of guardrails. It explicitly bans the system from using generic, robotic phrases like, "I am an AI," or "I apologize for the inconvenience," forcing it to adopt a helpful, human-centric tone. You can see the difference here. On the left, an unguided model spits out a cold, clinical summary. On the right, by utilizing our empathy rules, the output is warm, nuanced, and highly specific to the customer's problem. Grounding the system in your proprietary documents elevates a chatbot into a highly capable virtual employee. Now we give the system eyes and hands. We navigate to the Connectors panel, which allows the AI to securely interface with the outside world. This logic schematic shows our dual connection setup. We link Gmail to continuously ingest incoming customer tickets, and we link Slack to output the drafted responses for our review. For security, we must configure the Gmail connector's permissions specifically to needs approval. Granting a new AI direct, unvetted access to your customer's inbox is a significant reputational risk. We never allow the machine to bypass human review. By enforcing needs approval, the AI is strictly relegated to the role of a preparer. Human oversight remains the ultimate failsafe. With the knowledge loaded and the tools connected, we create the file that dictates the logic, support triage.md. We write these instructions using the GCAO framework: goal, context, action, and output. This syntax ensures our operational rules are executed flawlessly every time. Step 1 of our Markdown workflow instructs the system to continuously monitor the connected inbox for new, unprocessed messages. In Step 2, it categorizes each ingested ticket based on its perceived urgency and the core topic of the complaint. Moving to Step 3, the system generates a draft reply. It pulls facts from the product base and tone from the empathy manual. Finally, Step 4 pushes the completed draft and a quick summary directly to a designated Slack channel. Structuring the Markdown file with the GCAO framework turns vague AI potential into a rigid, repeatable standard operating procedure. Our final operational layer handles complex emotional nuances. We introduce a simple Python sentiment analyzer script. Watch how this works. As tickets flow into the system, the script identifies angry or highly stressed language in the text, splitting the data stream. The routing logic is absolute. Any aggressive tickets are diverted entirely away from the auto-drafting sequence. They get sent straight to a human escalation lane. Meanwhile, neutral or polite tickets are allowed to proceed normally through the automated drafting process we just built. Integrating this code-based sentiment logic prevents negative customer service interactions by giving the AI the intelligence to know when to step aside. Let's test it. I am sending a rapid influx of chaotic, unread test emails into the connected inbox all at once. We don't even need to look at the messy inbox. We go directly to our Slack interface to review the system's output. Look at how clean this is. Every incoming ticket is now a neatly stacked message card. You have distinct sentiment tags, concise ticket summaries, and a complete, accurate draft ready to be approved. What used to require hours of manual triage and typing has been reduced to mere seconds of calm, focused human review. If you want to clone this exact workflow, I've placed the Ghost Support Employee templates and the Empathy Manual in the description below. You can download them and set this up today.
All right, that's the update from the lab for today. I hope you learned something new. Head over to ASCIIgeek.com.